Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine. Where we stopped in the last class? Yes, we completed one lesson. Which lesson? Chacha Nehru, or fifth lesson, Chacha Nehru. Okay, then today we are going to discuss about the exercise part. Before that, I will ask some question. Okay, what is the nickname of Jawaharlal Nehru? Chacha Nehru. Chacha Nehru. What is the name of Chacha Nehru's mother? Swarup Rani. Then father name? Motilal Nehru. Then his wife name? Kamala. Okay, then when he passed away? 1964. Okay, then today we are going to discuss about the exercise part. Okay, page number 28. All of you take page number 28. Page number 28. Page number 28. Here, let us understand. The sentences are jumbled up. Write them in the correct order. Try not to turn back to the lesson. Okay. Here, 5 sentences given. Okay. It is the sentences are jumbled up. The order alla kodutittulladu ivide koduttirikkunna sentences adu vaaichu order cheyananu parnirikkunnathu. Okay, then here first sentence, I will read the first sentence. The British told Jawaharlal that he could not stay with Kamala if he gave up fighting for India's freedom. Okay, the British told Jawaharlal that he could stay with Kamala if he gave up fighting for India's freedom. Okay, first sentence il endane Jawaharlal Nehru prison la irunna samayathu Kamala അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ wife Kamala സുഖമില്ലാതിരുന്നു അല്ലേ? Then ആ സമയത്ത് ബ്രിട്ടീഷുകാർ പറഞ്ഞു എന്ത്? You want to stay with his wife Kamala, then you give up the fighting for the freedom India. എന്താണ്? freedom fighting നിന്ന് പിൻവാങ്ങണം എന്നായിരുന്നു അല്ലേ? Then next sentence. This brave lady died soon afterwards. This brave lady, അധികം വൈകാതെ the brave ladies died. Then once while Jawaharlal was in prison, Kamala became very sick. ഒരു സമയത്ത് ജവഹർലാൽ നെഹ്റു ജയിലായിരുന്ന സമയത്ത് കമല സുഖമില്ലാതായി. Kamala would not allow him to do so. കമല അദ്ദേഹത്തെ ചെയ്യാൻ അനുവദിച്ചില്ല. Jawaharlal was very unhappy. Then these are the sentences. Okay, then the question is that you order and write it. Okay, write them in correct order. Okay, write them in a correct order. Okay, then here, which is the first sentence here? First incident. You read the sentence and find out the first sentence. Which is the first sentence? Yes, correct. Once while Jawaharlal was in prison, Kamala became very sick. Once while Jawaharlal was in prison, Kamala became very sick. Kamala became very sick. Okay, this is the first incident. Okay, then next is second incident. Which is the second incident? You read the sentences. Then the British told Jawaharlal that he could stay with Kamala. Second sentence. The British told all of you write this answer in your textbook. Here this is space to write. Okay, then British told Jawaharlal that he could stay with could stay with Kamala if he gave up fighting for India's freedom. Fighting for India's freedom. Okay, this is the second incident. Then third incident. Which is the third incident? Kamala would not allow him to do so. Kamala would not allow him to do so. Okay, then fourth one. Which is the fourth incident? Yes, this brave lady died soon afterwards. This brave lady died soon afterwards. Okay, then last incident. Jawaharlal was very unhappy. Jawaharlal was very unhappy. Okay, Jawaharlal was very unhappy. Okay, this is the order. Then you write here all those things. First one, once while Jawaharlal was in prison, Kamala became very sick. Then second one, the British told Jawaharlal that he could stay with Kamala if he gave up fighting for India's freedom. Then third, Kamala would not allow him to do so. Then fourth, this brave lady died soon afterwards. Then fifth one, Jawaharlal was very unhappy. Okay, all of you write this sentence in order in your textbook. Okay. Then next, match the following. Jawaharlal was born on. Here 5 sentences and another side 5 sentences. Then match with them. Okay, Jawaharlal was born on. Ennaanu cheyinchadu? Yes, here. All of you match it. November 14, 89. Jawaharlal was born on November 14, 89. All of you match it. Then Jawaharlal wrote many letters to. ആർക്കാണ് ലെറ്റേഴ്സ് ഒരുപാട് എഴുതിയിരുന്നത്? His daughter Indira. His daughter Indira. All of you match it. His daughter Indira. Then third, Gandhiji called Jawaharlal. Gandhiji called Jawaharlal. എന്താണ് ഗാന്ധിജി ജവഹർലാൽ നെഹ്റുവിനെ വിളിച്ചത്? India's brightest jewel. India's brightest jewel. Okay, then on 15th August 1947. On 15th August 1947, what happened? India's become independent. India's become independent. Okay, ഇന്ത്യക്ക് സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യം കിട്ടിയില്ലേ 1947 അല്ലേ? Then Swarup Rani was. Swarup Rani was. Who is Swarup Rani? Jawaharlal's mother. Okay, Jawaharlal's mother. Okay, all of you match it. Okay, then see, answer the following. Answer the following questions. Okay, answer the following questions. I will send in your class groups. There are 7 questions. Okay, I will send in your class groups. Okay, then page number 30. All of you take page number 30. Page number 30. Vocabulary. Okay, here's a vocabulary section. Just like Jawaharlal Nehru, a leader should have these qualities. Find these words in grid. Okay, here lots of leader qualities. Okay, honesty, determination, purpose, courage, then integrity, confidence. ഇതെല്ലാം വേണം ഒരു ലീഡർ ആവാൻ. Which one? Honesty. Honesty, what is mean by honesty? സത്യസന്ധമായിരിക്കണം അല്ലേ? സത്യസന്ധമായിരിക്കണം. Then determination. നമുക്ക് എന്തും എന്താ നേടിയെടുക്കാനുള്ള ഒരു ഡിറ്റർമിനേഷൻ വേണം, വാശി വേണം അല്ലേ? ആത്മവിശ്വാസം വേണം. Then purpose. ഒരു പർപ്പസ്, ഒരു ഗുണം ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കണം അല്ലേ? Courage. ധൈര്യം ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കണം. Integrity. രാജ്യസ്നേഹം ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കണം. Confidence. ആത്മവിശ്വാസം വേണം അല്ലേ? These are the quality of a good leader. Okay, then here activities that you find out this answer in the grid. ഈ കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്ന വാക്കുകളൊക്കെ നിങ്ങൾ ഗ്രിഡിൽ സർക്കിൾ ചെയ്യണം. Okay, like this. Courage here, top of the page. Okay, then other words. This is your homework. Okay, this is homework. Then next all of you take page number 31. Page number 31. Page number 31. Language and grammar. Language and grammar. Use one word from the fell box in place of the highlighted words to rewrite the following sentences. Okay, here 5 words: imprisoned, unhappy, often, independence and labored. Okay, ഇവിടെ 5 വാക്കുകൾ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട് അല്ലേ? Prison, imprisoned, unhappy, often, independence and labored എന്ന് കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട് അല്ലേ? Okay, instead of these words, instead of the highlight word, ഈ ഇവിടെ കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്ന സെൻറ്റൻസിലെല്ലാം കുറച്ച് വേർഡുകൾ ഹൈലൈറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ അതിന് പകരമായിട്ട് ഇതിലുള്ള ബോക്സിലുള്ള ഏതെങ്കിലും വേർഡ് എഴുതാനാണ് പറഞ്ഞത്. ഓക്കെ, യോജിക്കുന്ന വേർഡ്. ഓക്കെ, ഹിയർ imprisoned means imprisoned and unhappy. ജയിലായിരിക്കുന്ന സമയമാണ് imprisoned, unhappy, often ഇടയ്ക്കിലെ, the independence സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യം, labored വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്ന സമയം അല്ലേ? Then here Jawaharlal found that his country was not at all happy under the British rule. ബ്രിട്ടീഷ് റൂളിൻ്റെ ജവഹർലാൽ നെഹ്റു എന്താ കണ്ടെത്തിയത്? ബ്രിട്ടീഷ് റൂളിൻ്റെ കീഴിൽ നമ്മുടെ കൺട്രി ഒട്ടും ഹാപ്പി അല്ലായിരുന്നു എന്നാണ്. ഓക്കെ, ഹിയർ ഹൈലൈറ്റഡ് വേർഡ് ഈസ് ദാറ്റ് നോട്ട് അറ്റ് ഓൾ ഹാപ്പി. നോട്ട് അറ്റ് ഓൾ ഹാപ്പി എന്നാണ്. ഓക്കെ, നോട്ട് അറ്റ് ഓൾ ഹാപ്പി എന്നാണ്. ഇൻസ്റ്റെഡ് ഓഫ് ദാറ്റ് വേർഡ് യു റൈറ്റ് അനദർ വേർഡ് ഫ്രം ദ ബോക്സ്. ആ ബോക്സിൽ നിന്ന് എടുത്തെഴുതണം. ഓക്കെ, നോട്ട് അറ്റ് ഓൾ ഹാപ്പി. എനി മാച്ചിങ് വേർഡ് ഇൻ ദിസ് ബോക്സ്? യെസ്, unhappy. The word unhappy. Then you write like this. 1. Jawaharlal found that his country was Jawaharlal found that his country was not at all happy. Instead of that we write unhappy. Unhappy. All of you write in your textbook. Unhappy under the British rule. Under the British rule. Okay, then second, Mahatma Gandhi was fighting for the freedom of India. Instead of here highlighted word is freedom. Instead of freedom, which word is suitable here? Independence. Mahatma Gandhi was fighting Mahatma Gandhi was fighting for the independence. Okay, instead of freedom, independence. Independence of India. Okay, then third, Jawaharlal went to prison many times. ഇടയ്ക്കിടയ്ക്ക് എന്താണ് ജവഹർലാൽ നെഹ്റു ജയിലാകുമായിരുന്നു. Jawaharlal went to prison many times. Here highlighted word is the word many times. Okay, many times. Often means ഇടയ്ക്കിടയ്ക്ക്. Okay, Jawaharlal went to prison often. Okay, often. Then fourth one, he wrote long letters to his daughter when he was in jail. He wrote long letters to his daughter when he was in jail. Instead of in jail. Imprisoned. What is it? Imprisoned. He wrote long letters to his daughter. He wrote long letters to daughter when he was in prison. When he was in prison. Okay, imprisoned. Okay, then he wrote long letters to his daughter when he was imprisoned. He was imprisoned. Okay, then last one. He loved India and worked very hard to make her a great country. Okay, here highlighted word is worked very hard. Instead of worked very hard, labored. Okay, labored. Labored. Okay. He loved India. He loved India and labored to make her a great country. Her a great country. Okay, these are the sentence. Okay, instead of not at all happy, unhappy, freedom, independence, many times, often, in jail, prisoned, and worked very hard, labored. Okay, these are the words. Okay, next B activity. All of you listen the B activity. B activity. B activity. Read the following sentence. Yesterday, Payal arrived at home. The word arrived suddenly yesterday home. Okay, remember words which are added to verb to tell us more about to our adverb. We already studied in the grammar class. Adverbal എന്താണെന്നല്ലേ വെർബിനോട് അധികമായി ചേർക്കുന്നതാണ് adverb ഓൾറെഡി പറഞ്ഞതാണ്. Then adverb are usually thought not always formed from other words adding ly. For example, sadly, possibly. Okay, ly ചേർത്താണ് ഫോം ചെയ്യാന്നൊക്കെ പറഞ്ഞിരുന്നു അല്ലേ. Then if adverb ending y, we have to change the y into illy. Okay, already studied about in the grammar class. Okay, അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഞാൻ ഡീറ്റെയിൽ ആയിട്ട് പറയാത്തത്. Okay, then page number 32. All of you take page number 32. Page number 32. Page number 32. Underline the adverbs in the following sentences. Underline the adverb in the following sentences. Okay. The light shone brightly. The light shone brightly. Which one is adverb? The light shone brightly. Yes, brightly. Then brightly. Then the accident happened suddenly. Which is adverb? Suddenly. Suddenly. Okay, then she speaks politely. She speaks politely. Yes, politely. 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 Then fourth one. I found the house soon. I found the house soon. Which? Soon. Sixth one. The king's horses were running fast. The king's horses were running fast. Okay, which is adverb? Yes, fast. Fast. I lost my bag yesterday. I lost my bag yesterday. Okay, which is adverb? Yesterday. 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 Okay. Seventh one. We run inside swiftly. We run inside swiftly. Okay, which is adverb? Swiftly. Seventh. Sorry, this one is seventh. The next eighth. I go to the library daily. I go to the library daily. Okay, which is adverb? Daily. The ship sank slowly. The ship sank slowly. Slowly is the adverb, slowly. 10th. Shalini happily agreed to work with me. Shalini happily agreed to work with me. Yes, happily. Okay, these are the adverb. Brightly, suddenly, politely, soon, fast, yesterday, swiftly, daily, slowly, happily. Okay, all of you write in your, underline the words in your textbook. Okay, then next is compound words. Match the words columns A, B to make compound words, write them blanks. Okay, here this is your homework. Here A column and B column. Then match and make compound words. Here bath. First one I will tell bath. Here bathroom. Okay, then teapot, like that. Okay, we already studied in the previous classes. Okay, then another activity homework. Use the compound words formed in question C in filling the blanks. Okay, നമ്മൾ C activity യിൽ ഉണ്ടാക്കിയ compound words വെച്ചിട്ട് ഇവിടെ fill ചെയ്യാനാണ് പറഞ്ഞത്. Okay, here lots of sentence here and read, fill in the blanks. Okay, this is your homework. Okay, I hope all of you are understand these activities. If you have any doubt about these activities, you can ask me. Okay, we can meet next class. Thank you.